Hi.
Hi. Nice camera.
Thank you. You're local?
Yeah, I'm local. Oh no, I'm Malaysian.
Oh, same here.
Oh really? Where are you from?
KL.
KL. Oh, same.
You're local?
Yeah, I'm local. Oh no, I'm Malaysian.
Oh, same here.
Oh really? Where are you from?
KL.
KL. Oh, same. So you travel alone?
Yeah, I came with my bunch of friends. We did a car drive. So we drove KL Phuket 1,000 kilometers one day.
You drove here.
We drove here from KL.
Wow.
We left like 4 in the morning. You don't mind taking a video?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We left like 4 in the morning from KL. We arrived about 10:30 in Phuket Kaitam. Let's have our drive all the way to Phuket.
Wow, that's amazing. You guys travel, right?
Yeah, we do like once or twice a year. We do this drives. Take our cars and just drive all the way.
Wow.
Way more endurance, high power cars.
How long? You guys have vacation for?
So we came here on Friday night, and we'll be here up to today.
Really?
Today we're leaving to Hat Yai.
Oh, okay.
Coming here was one day straight. Going back, we're gonna stop at Hat Yai one day, and Monday we're going back to KL.
Can I add? Do you have
Sure.
Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. Wait What's your?
I'm more of a.
Is that Osmo?
Yes, it's also.
That's amazing.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It tracks your face and it goes all the way. And it
Yeah, I
focuses.
wanted to get that.
Well, I've got this as well as the Osmo Action.
Okay, what's the difference?
So this one has got a gimbal. It's so it tracks your face and it gives you a more cinematic shot. Because action camera gives you this whole the corners are all curved up. This one doesn't give you a cinematic shot. As you pan, you see, it does that. You know?
Wow.
And also this is small. When you travel, you're carrying a small thing. You didn't know what's a camera, correct?
Okay.
And people are more open to talk to this.
Yeah.
The opposite of a camera. And obviously I can just flip around. Again, it flips around.
Wow.
And you can do. You see it? That's
That is so amazing. I should get that.
You can try it if you want.
Okay.
Tire puncture in Katu. Actually, tire puncture way before lah. Now they repair.
Yeah,
Wow, quite a big nail lah.
long some more. It's a screw.
Screw ah.
Screw.
Google Map 下載 later. On the way, they find us.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, boss. Yeah. Let's stop for lunch. In what seems to be a roadside stall restaurant, and it's supposed to be good. There's Melvin's car here. Says Muang Mai Restaurant Phuket. Hoa Muang Mai. Look it up on Facebook. Hey, how are you, baby? Yeah, recording. I was saying you can go and look it up on Facebook. There, it's here. But how to type this word on Facebook?
Can direct translate.
Yeah. It said no beer.
Huh?
No. Already recover, is it? Later. Good. Now that's interesting place to sit down. There's a pond down there. There's benches here. Wow. Tilapia pond. With a bench on top. Let's go up, let's see what's upstairs. Even at this point, you can see it's so rustic. They've taken pebbles and made them into like a towel. Yeah. Seems to be a living quarters upstairs. Whoa. You saw that table there? It's on top of a pond. Huh? A pond, huh? So tune, huh? Broken bricks.